Hi, my name is Zach Newby, and this is my BYU Idaho CSE 310 Applied Programming Module 4 Cloud Database Program. This is a event manager program used for managing a database of events stored on Google Firebase, made in Python using the Firebase library. In it, you can perform all the in this program, you can perform the four main activity functions used in database programs, that being create data, read data, update data, or delete data. The app works by creating dictionaries, which are the closest thing to JSON format, which is used by Firebase and Python, and then uploading them to a remote database on Google Firebase in the cloud. I will now perform a simple demonstration of the program. Once it boots up, you'll see we have an opening screen. Welcome to Event Manager 128, the Google Firebase Python Event Manager program. As you can see, there are 8 commands available to us. Create an event, read an event, update an event, delete an event, list all the events, view the database structure, view a help command that prints out information on the various functions of the program, and quit. If I press 7, you can see a list of all the primary functions: create, read, delete, and update, and the secondary hidden functions that the user does not directly call. To create, as for the database structure, simply press number 6 and it'll pull it up here. We have the master directory that contains all the events, and each event consists of the following: a name that is also used as the key in the master directory, the type of an event, i.e. concert, party, reception, a summary of the event, the venue, the address of the venue, the date of the event, the time, the client's name and information, a list of all attendees and whether or not they have RSVP'd. There's a couple things I need to adjust in this. The requirements, all the things required by the event, and a checklist of tasks that need to be completed for the event. To simply create an event, press 1. First, we enter name. We'll just call this birthday party. Then for type of event, enter party. Birthday party for little girl. We'll enter the venue here. Sue's house, that'll be little girl. The address, 123 Happy Street. The date is 4/5/24. Just make up a date, time. This will be noon. The client, Sue Mayberry. That's the name for the little girl. There's the employees that are assigned to the event. And say here, Claude Fergus. You enter their name and then their position. Event manager. And simply quit to stop entering new employees. Next, there's the attendees. This would be the guest list, or if it's an open event like the opening of a restaurant, you just put open as a key and choose a value. To Mayberry, true. Carlisle, false. He has not arrived yet. And Wilson, false. That's enough for now. Quit. Then there's the things required for the event. We'll just like cake. That's been acquired. Presents has not been acquired. Decorations has been acquired. Quit. Then we add items to the tasks list. This overview structure here is a little outdated. Here we have set up decorations, put that for false, and to keep things moving, I'm just going to enter quit to keep moving on. We created a new event. If we press 5 to list events, here's a list of all the events stored in the database. A grand opening for a restaurant, a wedding, a pool party, a Pokemon tournament, a test placeholder value, and then this new birthday party. To read an event, we can either put to or read, and then we'll do the Hatfield wedding. As you can see, here's all the information on the Hatfield wedding, the type of the wedding, a summary of it, the venue, which is the actual Bentonville Stake Center. Enter the date, the time, the client, this being the groom's father. We have the employees assigned to it, the attendees, who's RSVP'd and who has not, the things required for the event, and a checklist of tasks. Next, if we want to update an event, say we wanted to change something from our birthday party, here I'm just going to pull that up here. Say we wanted to maybe add some people to the list of attendees. We first press V to update, then we enter birthday party to select it, and attendees. Here's a list of here's what's currently in attendees right now. Here we can add check off an item to indicate someone has arrived, like 1. We can do Ed Wilson. Oh, appears I made a mistake. 1 Ed Wilson. Yep, set to true, and then 2, we're going to add an item. Say Candy Kane Smith. And put false, he has not arrived yet. And we could have added more items to it, but I entered quit to stop. Then we're going to remove an item. I think we'll take out, Sue Mayberry. I misspelled that. Sue Mayberry. She's been removed. Enter key. We'll add her back in. Sue Mayberry. Key, and then quit. Then we'll quit out of editing that. The operation has finished. Now, if we do read event again, as you can see, the attendees list has changed. Their name is now spelled properly. This is now true, and we've added another person to the list of attendees. If we want to, next I'll delete events, but first I'll list them out again. And I'm going to delete this test one. That's just test a bunch of times. So we'll enter 4, and then we'll put test to select it. And then if we list all the events again, it's now gone. Finally, before I quit this program and end the demonstration, if an invalid value is entered, like say I spelled Hatfield wedding horribly, it will say invalid input, enter again. Finally, either quit or 8 to end the program. Thank you for watching this demonstration. Sorry if I stuttered or didn't explain things properly.